Hey guys, thanks for checking in. This is a very quick video on a bit of a DIY hack that I did on my Ford Falcon today, and you could indeed do this on any car, any make and model. Just a couple magnets, and I've been able to holster my chewing gum out the way. I found it was forever annoying, constantly trying to dig through all the crap, trying to grab exactly what I need, and it was actually annoying. It's rattling a little bit while driving as well. So nice and easily sorted out the way, nice and clean, and always within easy reach while driving. And there's not a lot to it, guys. What I managed to do was use a bit of double-sided tape on the bottle here, and then stick a magnet on top of that double-sided tape, and then another bit of double-sided tape on this panel, and stuck my magnet there. And and there we have it, as easy as that. We're able to really clean this area up. I might end up maybe holstering my mints, maybe perhaps underneath, or maybe even on the other side. I don't know, I haven't decided on that yet, but for the time being, at least, for the gum that I'm always constantly trying to fiddle and find, that's out the way, and it's, my foot doesn't hit it, which is excellent. And I just thought I'd show you guys one other thing that I did to try and prevent this tape from falling off of this panel through the summer heat. Check this out, guys. So you're able to just pop up this side trim piece around your shifter plate there. Once this comes off, just pulls up and out. I found there's one screw here that if you unscrew this screw, then this whole panel comes out, and I'll show you why I did that, because I found I was able to actually use a magnet on the back half of that panel, so that way it keeps the magnet in place, and I'll show you what I mean, guys. So just a Phillips head screwdriver, take the screw out, pop it somewhere so you don't lose it, and then it's as simple as that. This panel then now does lift up and out. So just to show you guys, I'm going to get this handbrake up, and then that's it. Your panel just comes out. It's really only screwed in at the bottom. And what I did here was, as you guys can see, I used another magnet here on the back. So if I were to take this chewing gum canister out the way, so where I'd used some of the double-sided tape, and the magnet is stuck to the double-sided tape, to actually hold this magnet a little more than if this tape starts to give over the hot weather, I've just used the standard magnetizing power to actually kind of suction this outside magnet and the inside magnet together onto this tape. So I don't think this tape will actually give now that it's got a little bit of hold from the inside. So it's as simple as pop this up there like that. One hand is a little tricky. There we go. This bit goes down the bottom, your screw goes back in, and then this trim piece just clicks straight back down. So guys, I hope this video helped. You're able to, as I mentioned, really just clean things up, use this as a bit of a holster, get things out of the way, and just a little bit of a it's a silly bit of an idea, not something you necessarily need to do, but I find it's just a nice little party trick, very easy, and whack, just pot up there and off you go. You don't need to worry about fiddling around trying to find exactly what you need, especially in the dark. But I've got a few more ideas coming your way, guys, in terms of lighting this area, and even for the cup holders here, lighting this area. But guys, if this video gives you some ideas for other things, you can actually, I guess, holster things like sunglasses here, just sticking a magnet onto maybe the midsection of the glasses, maybe even air fresheners and things. I don't know, I might end up doing something like that, putting an air freshener. I don't know, but let's see how we going forward. But as always, guys, on this channel we flick something for luck. So today let's flick one of these magnets back here for luck. Beautiful, and hopefully it never falls off. But guys, thanks so much for checking in, and thanks for all the subscribers. I'm starting to get a couple subscribers now. It's not really my intention at all. I just want to share some mostly servicing tips and tricks, but I'll be doing some of my own personal hacks and installs along the way. Thanks guys, catch you guys at the next video.